Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you in this video 3 top mistakes to avoid during JAMB registration. Okay, now JAMB registration is starting on Friday 31st of January 2025. All right, now I have been here for 8 years, and JAMB profile code started 2020, 2021. Okay, 2020. All right, started then. And these mistakes I've been seeing consistently with students always coming back and messaging me, "Ma, what can I do? How can I do this? How can I do that?" Please make sure you watch this video to the end and share. All right, especially to people that it's just their first time. So what's the first mistake? Now, is inconsistency in your data. What do I mean by data? Your date of birth, your names in your WAEC results, and the one in your name. You know, everything is connected to name. Are you with me? So make sure all your details, all your data, what I mean by data about yourself, when you were giving birth to, your name, your first name, your middle name, your surname. Are you with me? Make sure it is the same with that of your WAEC. Okay? Because you just go to the name office and you just put any name. You put your middle name. Maybe your father will say put this middle name. Your mother will say put this middle. You will just put anyone, select anyone. You are forgetting your WAEC results because it's going to bite you. Where is it going to bite you? During admission, they can reject, not give, even if like score 300 and above. You might not gain admission because there's what we call physical screening. When when school you gotten your name is out, you've seen your admission letter and all that. There's what we call physical screening. So you come with the original document of your certificates, okay, for citing. They are not going to collect it. It's just for citing. The admissions office and secretary, the officials will start citing, looking at it. Once there's an inconsistency, you won't be given admission or it will be cancelled. Are you with me? So please, your date of birth in your WAEC certificate, just make sure you are following. Everything should just align with your WAEC certificate. Why? Because WAEC certificate, I think they don't change date of birth again. After you've registered like that. They can't change it again. Except you want to go and write another WAEC, which is a hard thing to do. Are you with me? Names, another issue. Are you with me? So please make sure it's consistent and it follows that name that you will go to register. It should be the same thing. If it is not, please don't go and start doing your registration. Don't jump and go and do registration. Even if you have done your profile code, okay, go back to that name office and make that correction quickly. Okay, make the correction. Then you can now regenerate your profile code. Are you with me? Because this is your first time. You've not registered at all. Okay, so they're going to tell you, the name office will tell you to take so hours for everything to be updated on your name. You get my point? So you also check if everything is updated before you now go and start your registration. Do you understand me? So please, data consistency is very important. Avoid that mistake. I've seen people lose admissions because of this. Second, what's the second thing from my listing? Yes, that's your phone number that you use to generate profile code. Please keep it. You don't want to know how many people are messaging me. I lost it. They blocked it. I can't find it. Please make sure, if it's your mom, if it's your dad, the phone number you used, please make sure you keep it safe. Okay? It's safe. It's someone close to you. It's someone close to you, okay, or your own. Keep it safe. Keep the SIM welcome back pack safe so you can always retrieve it if there's any issue, because it's on that same phone number you'll be able to check your results. You get my point? Anything about, even when you get an admission, they would also notify you. So it's already tied to your profile code. So please keep that phone number safe in case you want to use it again in the future. Very, very key and important. Now, the final thing, which is very important and critical, is your email address. And this is when you are doing your registration. Please make sure that they type in that your email address correctly, because JAMB, when you do your registration, JAMB is going to send you an email to that mail. So if it is wrong, it won't go. Are you with me? And you have to use that email address with the password. So save it somewhere, write it, don't lose it, because that's what you use to access what we call the JAMB portal. JAMB portal is where you see all your details, where you can upload your WAEC results, where, please watch that video on everything about JAMB, okay? Where you can do your change of institution and everything will show, change of course will show, where also you can accept admission or reject admission. Are you with me? And you can only access that through your email and password. Please, these are 3 important things. Don't make any mistakes with these 3 things during your JAMB registration as it starts. I also advise people, don't rush to register. You have 1 month, because registration starts Friday, ends 5th of March. You have 1 month and some days. You can decide to start your own registration next week, okay? Don't rush to register so you don't make any mistakes. Do you understand me? And please, when you are doing your registration, don't be rushed. Check all your details well. Sit down and click. You don't want wahala. No matter how they are insulting you, leave here. Now only you stay there. Check all your details well. Don't let anyone pressurize you. Check all your details well before they click that submit. Are you with me? Because when you click that submit, that is it. They will print it out for you, and whatever details that is there, whether right or wrong, that's what you will use. Do you get my point? So please, I want you guys to share this video. These are the 3 important things to avoid, mistakes to avoid during your JAMB registration. So please calm down. I have also shared the template on how to, I've done a video on how which to choose your universities and all that, the courses. The template is on our groups. Please make sure you join our Facebook group, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, download it and fill it up. I've done so many videos. Just join the groups to explain all the processes involving JAMB registration. So I wish you happy registration time, and please don't let it eat up or soak up 1 week of your life. When you are there, please make sure you are reading something. Don't be gisting, sitting down. I've seen people who stayed in that center till 2 a.m. or even sleep overnight because of registration, network and all that. Please, or they tell you come back and say you're coming back and you are not reading. Please make sure you are reading. If you don't want to carry books there, get the DTW CBT app. It's handy. It has all your digital past questions in it. Your paper book, all the past questions are there. Even class notes, you can read on the go. Search for questions. Practice with the timer. Please maximize your study. You want to get the syllabus, recommended textbooks, all in the groups, okay? DTW groups. Our update groups, our channel, everything. Just join and get it. If you are interested in our online classes, we're starting again from the beginning of the syllabus. We're starting in February. Come join us today. You are blessed and destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. All right? And He's coming soon. I'm thinking if there's anything, you are destined to win. Okay? So please share, and take your registration seriously. And especially the final time that you're going to click the submit, make sure you check everything is aligns well, because when they impute your profile code, it's going to draw your details from the NIM database, and you see everything on your NIM. You see it on it will reflect on your portal. All right, so yeah, please do share and subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, TikTok. And if you're having any issues, profile codes, any issues, just my WhatsApp details, contact me. All right, and please just be patient. I will respond to you, okay? Because a lot of students, a lot of people are messaging me, and I'm trying also to keep up, but I always make sure I respond to everyone. All right, you are destined to win. See you in our next video, okay? Stay blessed.